Hello, welcome to Guangzhou Pharmaceutical Line Research Consumer. I am Victor. Now I'd like to introduce to you 1,500 liters double-cylinder hydraulic emulsifying machine. This emulsifier is designed for clean production. The main working capacity is defined as 1,500 liters working capacity. The main three layers. The inner layer, which of the material is made for 316 stainless steel, and the jacket and outer layers are made for 3 shallow core stainless steel. All stainless steel is from Guangzhou, the best quality steel in China. You can see the full-stack emulsifying machine. The top is the discipline, and the cover and the bottom is the homogenizer motor. The homogenizer motor is from Siemens brand, and the speed is from 0 to 3,600 rotations per minute. This is the discharge. This is valve. After finished that, then open the valve like this. Now, let's go up to see more details. Come on. This is the platform. The hole is full stainless steel. Anti-cake pan. It's waterproof. Anti-cake pan. And you can see this, the saddle to protect water safety. 3 side has the girdle. This is the cover. You can see the cover is very nice, polishing, shining, and very soft and strong. This is the vacuum suction device. The vacuum suction sucks the material from the oil can, water can, or other low material can, sucks the mineral into the metal. This is the SIPUXIN cleaning device. If you want to cleaning, then open this valve like this. You can see here. Pull out, then move. Come, camera come. You can see this is close the CIP. If you want open it, then like it. You can see. Okay. For the CIP cleaning force, here I have 2. Here is the one. This is the second. So the maple has 2 CIP cleaning spray ball. This is the spicy bucket. If you want to add spicy or the heat matter or other small material, you can put them into this size of bucket. Let me show you. Wait a moment. Add the spicy heat matter into here. Segment. Here is the manual hole. This is the side glass. If you want to see inside material working situation, then through this glass is okay. Okay, this is the blading valve. The valve is push like the CIP. Then this is close the valve. Here is open the valve. This is the vacuum tester gauge. Display the vacuum tester. This is the steam pressure gauge. Display the vacuum tester. Okay. This is control panel. You can see all the buttons. He marked it very clear. Here you can see. Ensure your worker is very easy to understand each button function. Okay, let's see the inside constructor, which stands to fit the fan. You can see we use APP frequency converter from Switzerland. And here, all wires we set up one by one, finish and lay out. And here, APP frequency converter. And each one we mark very clear. We will use the English. Now it's Chinese. Later we will change it to English. Come here. You can see we use the quality flavors energy components for our components. Now let's introduce each button function. Those are perhaps application, and this is the web voltage display, and this is the current display. And here you can see APP frequency converter. This is for mixing. This is for adjust the homogenizer speed. And you load this, adjust the mixing, to adjust the speed of mixing. This is the temperature display. It can show the pop inside material temperature in it. And this is the homogen delay. You can set up the homogenizer working time. For example, you set up this hour, you can set the minute. This is minute. In second. For example, you set up the 5 minutes. For example, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the homogenizer working. It will stop automatically. Here is the emergency stop. If any something is emergent things occur, then you can push here to stop all the working. And this is the light. It's those green button. It's turn on. Those red button it means turn off. For example, if you turn on the mixing, then put this green button. You can see the mixing activator light is light on now. Okay. Then adjust the mixing speed. Turn allow this. Okay, come here to see. The mixing handle is working now. Then I make it faster. Okay, if you stop the mixing working, then now this back to here. Here. Okay, then turn off the left button. Then this. As you know, this is hydraulic lifting emulsifying. So before lifting, there are 4 rockers must be turned back in this position. You can see on here. You can see each lock. Each locker is one by one to match this sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors. 4 lockers. If missing any lockers, the lifting is unworked. For example, here you can see the hydraulic lifting. Then I turn on and lifting. Okay, it's missing one bucket, like it. This is missing. Then here, no. And we mixing. You can see the line, not one. You can see the mixing cannot work. So once we mixing it, not a bad. Okay, mixing the line is out. You can see it's a mixing. You can see our candle, this candle, missing candle, very little. You can see here. It's over 1 cm. Homogenizer has a bar. You can see this is a sensor for the steam temperature. It can feedback the material temperature to here. Now let me show you how the mixing and the homogenizer working. Now, then we mixing turn on this green button. Then adjust the speed here. If finished, then now start this. Stop mixing and put this button. Okay, now so with the homogenizer working, then put this green button. After that, the glue. Then turn off the left button. Okay, let's introduce the pipers. Here are 3 piper lines. The first is the tap water, and then here at the holes to clean inside the tank. Here is the one-stage water pipe. Second stage water pipe. For example, if you want to, after finish the product, you want to CIP cleaning board to clean the pot, then connect a pipe, a hole to here. Then open this valve, the water through this inside to clean. Then some water through this pipeline from this cleaning spray point to inside pot. Here is the steam pipeline. You can see the steam heating pipeline to here into the pot. The steam from this pipe and into the jacket to heating. And this is the cooling water pipe. After steam, you have the water draw out and water from this pipe to go out.